Hi everyone, today I'm going to be assembling a piece of art that features a swan. This one comes in at only 48 pieces, and again it's a 16 by 16, and this one has 8 different wood species plus black, and I've gone ahead and engraved and scored some details onto these pieces in order to minimize the number of pieces that are here. So you can see the eye has a little bit of scoring, and then the body of the swan and some of these sky pieces have scoring as well. So if you're interested in this design, check out thehandsthatshape.com for this one and others.